So good afternoon. I'm Dr. Parag, representing Niti Solutions here. We believe in social games. We have been working in social games since 2004, where we created the first social game called Real Life. This was the game actually which is ranking currently number 15 in the world, the Real Life. And we took that position from there and said that can we change the elections in India? So this game was created. There is the music which is interesting in the radio. So this game was created, it is an online game, it works on a browser, so it's a cross-platform game. And a lot of people, so the ready is there. Anyway, so this is the game. What we were talking in these elections was the issues and the Prime Minister candidates. And it was heavily emotional election issue. So we thought, why not we create a game which is like alternate social media, where it's not Facebook and where people just don't come up with the text or something more than a text. So here you are characters, the Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi and the rest of the people. And these are the issues. We had about 100 issues researched and some journalists actually helped us. So what you do actually, that you take the issue and you throw that issue to a person who you feel is the right candidate for the Prime Minister and who is going to resolve that. So bring innovation in India's agricultural sector. So maybe this, and effectively taking all our communities along together, maybe this. So you go on playing this. Now what happens is that whenever you play the issue, there is a database and the issues go into the database. To my surprise, when we designed this game and it was floated, the press conference was one of the highest press conference in Pune, where all the media from everywhere in India was there. The moment it was launched, we started getting calls. And in fact, one of the great call was from a media paper in Pune. They offered us 2 crores of rupees for this game to buy out. The next surprise came to us that the Congress party, I can take the names now because the election is over, they tried hacking this game. And one midnight I got a call on my mobile saying that Parag, the game is completely hacked and Congress has, the Rahul Gandhi is something like 90% of the people's perception. So you play this game, you end it here. Every time you get 15 things and then you get a result. The result is something like how I am going to vote. Then you can compare your votes with the India's population for the rest of the India, how they are playing. Now, to my surprise again, that we got a call from one of the major political party, I again take the name BJP, JP Nadda, who is now the health minister. He said that Narendra Modi liked this game and can you come to Delhi to talk to us? So I went there and again I told them that the Sakal is offering us 2 crores of rupees. So they said we want to buy this game because one of the issues in the 100 issues we had was who is the youth icon, and 66% people voted to Narendra Modi. Now this database is the sellability for this game, which I realized talking to all these people who are in commercial sector. So forget about that. But what happened was that then I started thinking that should I sell this game or no? And then I decided to create very powerful game for the US elections which is coming up. Each political party, Democratic and Republican, they spend something like $800 million for the campaigning. And I think the next business India can do with US is the games and the social games. And we can show the world that it's not only Facebook and Twitter who change the lives of the people, but the games which are like this, which are serious, which tell the users actually, the voters, what are the right issues, who could be a right prime ministerial candidate and who you should vote. When people play this game, I talked to a lot of these people because they were calling from everywhere. They said that after playing this game, we are sure actually whom we are going to vote. And this is how the game ended. Recently, I was in Trivandrum in a medical college. I'm a doctor, by the way. Started this IT company in 10 years ago, leaving my medicine. But I was in Trivandrum Medical College, and I was talking to students about importance of games and social games and games for public health and health. And at the end, I showed them that this is the game. And out of the medical students, 50% said that they have played this game. So that was a kind of a wonder for me that people could play this game across the globe. This real life story is, again I say that the social games are coming up in the world. We got $2 million buyout offer for like this game. We are not selling this game because we are passionate about changing the society for the better society. I left medicine not for earning money, but to change the society. I think this is the kind of games. And we want to be one of the most powerful company sitting here in Pune and India to decide the voters across the globe how they should vote and how they should select the politicians. Actually, we lost the Afghanistan connection. I was there in January, but I could not get a right organization to work with elections there. Otherwise, one of the experiments we wanted to carry out was to tweak the Afghan elections and people choosing the right candidate. So thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much.